Hi everybody! Today I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful and delicious stuffed bell peppers. These stuffed bell peppers are not only healthy, they make a beautiful and delicious dinner. Let's get started! Let's start by preheating our oven to 400 degrees. For this recipe, we'll make 6 servings. You'll need 6 bell peppers the size of your palm. Pick your favorite colors. After you washed your bell peppers, it's time to prepare them. Let's cut off the top of the bell pepper. Make sure you hang on to the top so we can decorate it later. Now the best tool for cleaning out the pepper is a spoon. Scrape and clean out the inside of your bell pepper. Wasn't that easy? Alright, let's do the same with the rest of our bell peppers. As you can see, using different colors of bell peppers makes this recipe so vibrant. Now let's get some chopping out of the way. Let's add some aromatic to our recipe. Dice 1 yellow onion about the size of the palm of your hand. For our second aromatic, we're going to crush and finely mince 2 cloves of garlic. That's all the chopping for today. Now let's get our bell pepper stuffing ready. Are you ready for this beefy and cheesy bell pepper stuffing? Into a large bowl, add a pound of lean ground beef. Now let's add 1 cup of cooked white rice. With cooked white rice, you don't have to worry about being raw or crunchy later. Now let's season our stuffing. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by a half teaspoon of pepper. Let's add a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning is an all-in-one spice that makes everything easier. Now for our binding agent, a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I like to add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese just for that extra savory taste. And 1 beaten egg to bind everything together. Now here's a tip for keeping everything moist inside. Add 1 cup of your favorite marinara or pasta sauce. Finally, let's add our diced onion from before, and don't forget about our diced garlic as well. Our stuffing is complete. Now mix together your stuffing. You can tell with all these ingredients how delicious these bell pepper stuffing are going to taste. My goodness, am I excited! Now let's prepare for stuffing time. Add 2 cups of your favorite marinara or pasta sauce to your casserole dish. I also added about a half cup of water because this will be baking and we don't want the sauce to reduce too much. Now stir everything together. Now time for my favorite part of the recipe. Let's stuff our prepared bell pepper with our meat and rice filling. Stuff your meat and rice filling to the top of the bell pepper. That's it! Now repeat the process 5 times. Try not to pack these peppers too tightly because it will prevent them from cooking evenly. Remember those bell pepper tops that we kept from before? Put them between the bell peppers to keep these bell peppers standing while we're baking. It's baking time! On the bottom rack of your oven, bake these peppers at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Use the lowest rack in your oven. Then take them out of the oven and let's add some delicious cheese. Today, my choice of cheese is mozzarella. I chose mozzarella because they create beautiful melty tops and is mild and won't overpower these peppers. Now let's bring these bell peppers back in the oven for another 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. These peppers need to be cooked for a total of 60 minutes or to an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit to be fully cooked. And there you have it. Beautiful, delicious, and healthy stuffed bell peppers. Enjoy! If you'd like to see some ground beef recipes, check out my chili recipe.